let's look at basic form 3. Again, implementing that exact same structure of the H, this time incorporating the side punch that we've just learnt in this syllabus. So let's start in our chumbi. Going to the left as always, and we're going to start this time with an inside block on the back stance. Head to the left, inside block. Step forward, punch. Turn over that right shoulder, inside block. Punch. Low block coming forward. Now 3 side punches. Good. Over that left shoulder, inside block. Punch. Inside block to the right. Punch. Low block to the reverse. 3 side punches. Inside block to the left. Reverse punch. Inside block to the right. Reverse punch. Back to chumbi. Now, if you see me shuffle on my side stance to do this, that's because of the space that I've got here today. But when you're doing your side punches, make sure you're coming through nice and strong. And let's look at one of those basic form 3s from the reverse. So there you have all the material you need from the white belt grading to the yellow belt grading to pass and smash your way through yellow belt. Remember what I said, it's super important not to forget your white belt syllabus. You'll be using that all the way up to your black belt. So make sure you keep practicing that as well as the stuff you've learned in today's session. Keep training hard, guys, and I'll see you on your next belt.